What if the most powerful anti-aging secret nobody's told you about doesn't need a prescription, a clinic, or a single dermatologist appointment? What if it fits in your hand, costs less than your afternoon coffee, and you can eat it on a walk or pull it straight from your fridge at 10 at night? Most people think collagen is a morning thing, a fancy powder in a latte, a capsule with breakfast. But your body builds and breaks down collagen every hour, day and night. And what you eat between meals matters more than almost anyone realizes. Today I'm showing you 10 snacks that feed your collagen system around the clock, backed by clinical research, ancestral tradition, and real biochemistry, ranked from remarkable to absolutely extraordinary. Stick around for number 5, a crunchy, savory snack most people throw in the trash, and one of the most direct collagen foods your body can absorb. And number 10 is a frozen treat that packs collagen, peptides, vitamin C, and live probiotics into a single bite. Your kids will eat it without a fight. Hit subscribe right now. Every week we connect cutting-edge nutrition science with the foods your body was built to thrive on. Let's get into it. Number 1. Bone broth sipping cups. Before protein bars, before supplement companies, before the wellness industry existed at all, people snacked on this. Across medieval Europe, traveling merchants carried small clay cups of reduced bone broth on long journeys. In traditional Chinese medicine, warm broth between meals was prescribed for recovery, for aching joints, for skin that had lost its bounce. They didn't call it a snack, they called it survival. And what they knew by observation, biochemistry has now confirmed. Slow simmer bones for 12 to 24 hours with a splash of vinegar to pull the minerals out, and the collagen locked inside the bone and cartilage breaks down first into gelatin, then into free amino acids, glycine, proline, hydroxyproline. Those are the exact raw materials your body uses to build new collagen in your skin, your cartilage, your tendons, your gut lining. Chicken cartilage is especially rich in type 2 collagen, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid, a profile that nearly matches your own joint lining. The modern version is simple. Pour quality bone broth into a thermos, add a pinch of sea salt and a squeeze of lemon, and sip it hot between meals. This is where the list begins, and nothing on it has more ancestral credibility. Number 2. Beef gelatin gummies. Here's a snack that looks like candy and works like medicine. Gelatin is just collagen that's met heat. The long triple helix chains unwind and break into peptide fragments. And those fragments don't just feed the system, they signal it. Once absorbed, hydroxyproline-rich peptides like prolyl hydroxyproline travel through your bloodstream and tell your fibroblast cells to ramp up their own collagen production. You're not just supplying the bricks, you're flipping the switch on the factory. This is one of the most validated mechanisms on the entire list. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that vitamin C, enriched gelatin, taken before short bursts of activity, roughly doubled markers of collagen synthesis, including PINB, the body's signal that new type 1 collagen is being laid down, doubled, from a food. Making them takes 10 minutes. Bloom grass-fed gelatin powder in cold fruit juice, warm it gently, stir in a little raw honey, pour into silicone molds, chill for 2 hours. Use orange or pineapple juice, and you layer in vitamin C, which, as you'll see again and again, is the rate-limiting step in your entire collagen process. No vitamin C, no stable collagen, full stop. Number 3. Hard-boiled eggs. Every culture that kept chickens learned the same thing. The egg is a complete food. Roman soldiers carried them into battle. Medieval laborers peeled them at midday. And the egg white is one of the most concentrated everyday sources of proline, the structural backbone of the collagen triple helix. Here's why that matters. Collagen is a tightly wound 3-strand molecule, and proline holds that geometry in place. Your body makes some on its own, but dietary proline dramatically increases the supply available for active production. Egg whites deliver it in abundance, along with glycine and lysine, meaning a single egg covers all 3 legs of the collagen amino acid triad. Add spinach or peppers on the side and you bring in manganese and vitamin C, the cofactors that recycle proline and lock it into its stabilized form. Research on protein quality and aging keeps linking complete, bioavailable protein to better skin structure and slower visible aging. 2 eggs boiled on a Sunday and kept in the fridge give you collagen support all week for almost zero effort. Simple, ancient, quietly powerful. Number 4. Greek yogurt with collagen powder. This is the daily driver, the snack that covers the most ground for the least effort. Greek yogurt is loaded with proline and glycine, 2 of the 3 amino acids that form the collagen helix. And the casein in it digests slowly, trickling building material to your cells for hours instead of in one quick spike. But the real power is how much it covers at once. Stir in a scoop of hydrolyzed collagen peptides and you add the bioactive fragments like prolohydroxyproline that research shows get absorbed intact through the pepti-1 transporter and signal your fibroblasts to build. Top it with mixed berries and you bring in anthocyanins, antioxidants, shown to block the matrix metalloproteinases, the enzymes that actively chew through your existing collagen, and the live cultures feed your gut, lowering the systemic inflammation that drives collagen loss in the first place. So in one 2-minute bowl, you hit 4 mechanisms at once: precursors, peptides, protection, and inflammation control. Make it your default afternoon reset, and your collagen system never goes hungry. Number 5. Chicken skin crisps. For decades, mainstream nutrition told you to peel off the skin, eat lean, and throw the rest away. From a calorie-counting view, that had a kind of logic. From a collagen view, you were told to discard the most valuable part. Chicken skin is one of the richest natural collagen sources in any common food, and that's no accident. A huge share of the collagen supplements sold today are made from chicken, type 1, collagen from skin, type 2 from cartilage. The supplement industry has quietly been selling back to you exactly what ancestral cultures never threw out. And the data backs the food. Not just the capsule research on chicken-derived type 2 collagen shows real drops in joint pain, stiffness, and pain scores in people with arthritis, working as both a building block and a brake on the inflammation behind joint breakdown. To make them, lay chicken skin flat on a parchment-lined sheet, season with sea salt and herbs, and roast at 400 degrees until golden and completely crisp. Crunchy, savory, and delivering collagen in a form your grandmother would recognize and your dermatologist probably hasn't considered. Don't discard it, eat it. That's the halfway point. And if the pattern is clicking that real food, prepared simply, does what expensive supplements only promise, do me a favor and hit the like button right now. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people hunting for science-backed answers about how food actually heals the body. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit subscribe and ring the bell. Nutrition, longevity, and evidence-based ancestral wellness every single week. Now let's finish the list. Number 6. Salmon bites. The skin tells the whole story. Wild salmon skin is packed with marine type 1 collagen, the exact type that makes up roughly 80% of the collagen in your own skin. Its molecular structure closely mirrors human collagen, which is why it absorbs so well. Your body recognizes it, takes it in efficiently as small peptides, and puts it straight to work. Research on marine collagen peptides keeps showing real improvements in skin elasticity, moisture, and texture over about a 12-week window. But salmon does double duty. The omega-3 sets, EPA, and DHA throughout the flesh actively dial down systemic inflammation. And inflammation is one of the main triggers that switch on the enzymes that dismantle collagen. So you're building new collagen and defending the collagen you've got in the same bite, while those omega-3s shift your whole healing environment from breakdown toward repair. Cold smoked salmon bites, baked salmon skin crisped in the oven, or canned wild salmon on a cracker with lemon, every format works. And every format delivers marine collagen directly. Whatever you do, eat the skin. That's where the medicine is. Number 7. Bell pepper slices with hummus. Here's a fact that stops people cold. A medium red bell pepper holds around 190 milligrams of vitamin C. An orange has about 70. The pepper doesn't edge out citrus, it nearly triples it. And for collagen, that's everything, because vitamin C isn't optional. It's the ignition switch. Your body uses an enzyme called prolyl hydroxylase to turn proline into hydroxyproline, the stabilized form that actually locks into the collagen fiber, and that enzyme simply cannot run without vitamin C keeping it active. No vitamin C, no hydroxyproline, no stable collagen. It's the same failure behind scurvy, where collagen literally falls apart. So a bell pepper isn't a side dish, it's the spark for the entire synthesis line. Pair it with hummus, and you go further. Chickpeas add lysine plus copper and manganese, the mineral cofactors your enzymes need to cross-link new collagen into durable fiber. Slice raw peppers, scoop hummus, done. Cheap, portable, probably already in your fridge, and one of the most complete collagen snacks on this whole list. Number 8. Strawberries with dark chocolate. This is the one people don't believe, and they should, because the science is genuinely strong. Strawberries are one of the most vitamin C-dense foods in any grocery store. Over 85 milligrams in a single cup, more than your full daily target. That vitamin C fires the same synthesis machinery we've been tracking. But strawberries do something more. Their polyphenols and the anthocyanins in dark berries help shield your existing collagen from oxidative damage, the free radical and UV assault that switches on the enzymes that break collagen down. You're building new collagen and protecting what you've already got at the same time. Then, the dark chocolate earns its spot. Real dark chocolate, 70% cacao or higher, is a rich source of copper, the essential cofactor for lysyl oxidase, the enzyme that performs the final cross-linking step that turns loose chains into strong, organized fiber. So, this isn't a guilty pleasure with nutrition stapled on. Vitamin C to build, antioxidants to protect, copper to cross-link, 3 mechanisms in a snack that tastes like dessert. Eat it without apology. Number 9. Pumpkin seeds. These little green seeds are easy to dismiss. They look like something swept off a counter in October. But zinc deficiency is one of the most common reasons collagen production quietly underperforms. And pumpkin seeds are among the best food sources of zinc you'll find, short of eating oysters daily. Here's the mechanism. Zinc is a required cofactor for the enzymes that hydroxylate and cross-link collagen, the same construction steps vitamin C and copper feed into. Without enough zinc, the process stays incomplete. The amino acids are there, the vitamin C is there, but the enzymes can't run at full capacity, and the collagen that results is weaker and less organized. And this isn't rare zinc. Insufficiency is estimated to affect over 2 billion people worldwide, and its signs, slow wound healing, rough skin, weak immunity, overlap almost exactly with accelerated skin aging. A small handful, about an ounce, delivers a real dose of zinc, plus magnesium, healthy fats, and plant protein. Toast them lightly, keep a jar by the counter, eat them by the handful, or scatter them over the yogurt and berries from earlier. Unassuming, essential. Number 10. Collagen smoothie popsicles. We end where we should, with a snack that folds every mechanism on this list into one frozen format your kids will eat without argument, your partner will request, and your fibroblasts will quietly thank you for. Blend 1 scoop of hydrolyzed collagen powder, a cup of mixed berries, half a cup of full-fat Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of raw honey, and a squeeze of fresh lemon. Pour into popsicle molds, freeze for 4 hours. Look at everything happening at once. The collagen peptides supply the hydroxyproline-rich fragments shown in trials to stimulate fibroblast collagen production. The berries deliver anthocyanins that block collagen-degrading enzymes, plus vitamin C that activates synthesis. The Greek yogurt brings slow-release casein and live cultures for your gut. And the lemon adds 1 more hit of vitamin C. Everything pulling in the same direction, A randomized controlled trial in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed collagen and gelatin intake meaningfully raised markers of collagen synthesis. Make a batch on Sunday, eat one every afternoon for a week, and you've turned the science into a habit. That, more than anything else here, is the point. If you made it all the way through, here's your complete framework. Deliver collagen directly: bone broth, beef, gelatin gummies, chicken skin crisps, salmon bites, collagen popsicles. Activate your synthesis machinery with the vitamin C in bell peppers, strawberries, and dark chocolate. Build the amino acid foundation with hard-boiled eggs and Greek yogurt. Supply the mineral cofactors your enzymes demand: zinc, copper, manganese through pumpkin seeds, hummus, and dark chocolate. And protect the collagen you've already built with the antioxidants in berries and cacao. This isn't a supplement protocol, it's a snacking strategy available to anyone at any grocery store starting today. So smash that like button if this changed the way you look at what's in your fridge right now. Drop a comment and tell me which snack surprised you most: Team Chicken Skin Crisps, Team Popsicles, or Team Bell Peppers and Hummus? I read every single one. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that button now. We're building a community that takes real nutrition seriously, evidence-based, ancestral, and deeply tied to how the body actually heals. Because the most powerful anti-aging strategy doesn't come in a serum, it comes in a snack, and now you know exactly which ones to reach for.